Welcome back. At healthcare-focused AI startup called OpenEvidence, raising some capital from Sequoia, boosting it to $1 billion valuation, and it's just the latest big funding round for AI healthcare. A segment seeing increased investor attention. I wish them all the best. It's going to be tough. Kate Rooney has more in Tech Check. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Kelly. Yeah, this isn't easy, but this intersection of AI and healthcare, it's getting a lot of buzz in Silicon Valley. It's also seen as sort of the antidote to some of the doom and gloom around the more nefarious use cases and the downside for this tech. Optimists think AI could help cure diseases, help with the messy back office, and then make burnt-out doctors more productive. OpenEvidence is trying to tackle that burnout problem with a chatbot. They call it an AI co-pilot for doctors that the company claims is being used right now by a quarter of U.S. physicians out there. Here's investor and Sequoia partner Pat Grady and what he said about it.
There's this big question that's on everybody's mind right now. Is AI actually going to be good for humanity or not? I think it is inarguably going to be good. And here's a great example of a company. OpenEvidence should save 1 million lives over the next decade. You don't have to make any crazy assumptions to believe that.
Grady sees huge potential for AI in healthcare. As you mentioned, Kelly, both in the clinical and back office, but investors really need to be picky here. There are a lot of great ideas, but it is such a complex system. It can be really hard to cut through all of the layers, as he put it. OpenEvidence founder Daniel Nadler, who we also spoke to, pointed out how high the bar is for AI accuracy, especially in a clinical setting. Their model was trained on peer-reviewed medical journals. It was not connected to the internet when it was trained, which he says helps the trust factor. Health tech as a sector brought in $3.3 billion roughly across around 250 deals last year, according to PitchBook, while med tech brought in closer to $2.2 billion. Kelly, back over to you.